see.
Whoa.
Sanu, you wanna climb here and clean that snow? Oh. Uh-oh. Alright, let's see how it looks outside. Doesn't look good?
A snowstorm is here, blowing the trees, melting it down.
There's too much noise, guys. We still have the storm. We got a lot of snow. Oh my god, look. It looks worse.
We cannot walk. It is 20 to 30 inch snow.
I see. It's 30 inch almost?
20 to 30 inch snow.
I see. How do you measure that? So that, let's see the pile. Look, those are the big piles. Ooh.
Wow. And then a lot of snow. Daddy, how are you gonna walk? How are you gonna walk, Daddy? I guess we have to
I
wear
got no
shorts.
idea. Maybe we need to clean it up first.
No, maybe we have to wear shorts.
Ah, maybe that's gonna work out.
I love snow. This 22. Huh? Daddy, cover the mouth.
What's the time now?
8:77.
It's 3 o'clock.
3. It's 3:07. I mean, it's 3:04.
Right.
5:06. Oh, they made us hold right there. Dada, we can sit nowhere. That's what. I wish I could go outside.
I think we can. We can try.